today we're here at Eurobus Expo in the NEC in Birmingham. Really excited to be here. There's loads of lovely buses, but this one is our TrawsCymru new bus, fully electric bus, and I'm just so excited because we're going to be launching these in the new year on the Carmarthen to Aberystwyth route, and it's got loads of new features. There's everything from charging your phone to hanging your coat, and we've got tables, lamps, everything. It'll feel more like a coach experience than a bus. It's part of the Welsh Government plans to decarbonise the entire fleet. This will be the first of the long distance TrawsCymru fleet to be decarbonised, and that is just so important at the moment. We're also hoping this will help drive behaviour change, because at the moment people are still a little bit reticent about whether or not they're going to get on public transport, but this journey using these buses will actually save tons and tons of carbon dioxide, and if you use the app to book your journey, it actually tells you how much you've saved. So that's really exciting, and we're hoping that lots of people will start to pick that up and start to kind of challenge each other to see how much they can save as they're going across the entire country.
The route distance of the service is about 100 miles round trip. It's fully electric, there's no engine at all battery. They will be charged in Carmarthen in a purpose-built depot with 8 charging ports. The vehicles will return to depot during the day for a recharge. The replacement vehicle will go in its place, and the service will maintain its normal frequency as it does today.
So Wales are really leading the way in the UK, because we've got the likes of Cardiff, Newport and Transport for Wales who've invested heavily in zero emission vehicles, and that's fantastic for the Welsh population. Also, we're training people on how to drive vehicles and how to repair vehicles, and also how to fit some of our vehicles are actually being completed in Wales itself. So that's great for the local economy as well as the local environment.
It's about transforming the public transport experience. You look inside the vehicles, the quality of the build in the product is really important to give that better passenger experience, and we're persuading people to come out of their cars, then it's got to be that quality experience we're offering people, and the vehicles that we've seen, we believe, do that.